Hello gentlemen, if you have a Mercedes E350 or any other Mercedes Class E and you have problems with the electric steering wheel, so that the steering wheel moves forward and backward but does not work up and down. And if you hear clicks when you press the control bar, then today I will help to fix that. You need tools, a couple of blankets for comfort, a good flashlight, regular wrenches and screwdriver with the asterisk bit. So we unscrew 4 screws from under the bottom panel, under the steering wheel. We carefully disconnect the electrical terminals, a small light bulb, and some other sensor, possibly a temperature sensor, I have no idea what is it. And the last one, we have to disconnecting the hood cable. It is removing very easily and simply. Okay, now I'm gonna pull out the whole part and put somewhere away. Nothing should bothering me. And dive under the steering column. Here we see the rotation cable that is simply stuck and does not want to move. So I take the wrench at 13 and start to unscrew that nut over there. Yes, it will be very uncomfortable, especially for overweight people. Okay, I have unscrewed that nut completely. Now I need to try to push up and down the driver's wheel manually. If that doesn't help, then use your left hand to push the control level up or down, and with your right hand give the cable a good shake. Try again. Here we go. Yes, it works guys, it works. Okay, so now we're trying in a comfortable position. Yes, it works. Fine, both forward and backward and up and down. Yeah, I almost forgot to tell you guys. Don't forget to tighten that nut back. But not completely. Leave some space for a little play. Yeah, that was simple and easy. Your car is ready to go.